What what do we do when we got an error? Or maybe someone can tell me. Okay. What do we do when we have an error?
Ask con.
Ask your friend first. Okay. But if I'm not there, then what do you do?
Close the laptop.
Close the laptop. Okay. That's actually a good way. You need to think.
Click on it first.
Huh?
Click on it and read what's the error.
Click on it and read what is the error. Okay, so you find out what is the error.
Yeah. Then I can copy paste the error to
Somebody else.
Somebody else.
Google.
Or you just go to the all output to read what it's telling you that's wrong.
Yeah. So you find the error and then you try to find an answer. Yeah, so yes, that's correct. When you have an error, then first of all you find the error. Then you understand the error, why that happened, and then you fix and you test again. If it runs well, then yeah, just shout it out loud how happy you are. Okay, then every time can tell you. So first of all, find error, right? Find error. Then you need to understand what error first. So they have 4 types of error. We name work. First of all, the one when you caught and you see the error, like echo show you something, then that is the one in the view time. That is view time error. So they have warning or they have error. Later we can go there. Another error is when you run it. When you run it and you see it, when you run it and it crashes. Then it is exception of crash, or it's an expected result. Like in Saturday, right? We have some to fix the error. So he boosts a view controller and it shows nothing. So you expect to show something, or you show a view controller and then nothing shown. So it is an expected result. So there are 4 things. View time, there are 2 things. Run time, there are 2 things. How to find error? Okay, run time error. So how to find error? So they have a few ways to find error. So I just go back and do UI review again. So we have a new project and we do take a symbol application. Do a symbol view application. Then we call it also symbol view. Okay, remember here you automatic reference something, okay? You need to do this. You don't need storyboard, so just create it. Then what you have here view controller. So I try to redo the table view controller. So I will set a view controller, table view controller here. So I put a table view here, wait, table view. Okay, we have a table view here, and like everyone, I will set a contract. Yeah, actually, I really like how Lucas say about the contract. Table view delegates, I add to contract the data source. Okay, and then view controller. Okay, hold on. I don't know. I think this should be UI view controller. Never mind.
No, it is correct. UI view controller.
Yeah. Okay. Then I run it. And I set the delegate. I set the data source. Oh, I set the view controller already. That is the file owner. Then I set the delegate for the table view. Here, and delegate also goes file owner. And okay, I run it.
Wow.
Sorry. Okay, what do you expect?
It will crash.
Is it crash?
Yeah, because you have not implemented the contracts with the number of rows and the cell and the index.
How do you know if you crash?
Because that's what I did.
Okay. So yeah, he gets that. But let's see if he gets correct. How can we see the error? So you see that in this area it says something. Okay. In this area it says something. This area it says something. Now I will show this area. So this area is one of the places you will be looking for error. We see what it says. So we go to this area and we check what is the error. Here.
Yes.
So normally it will say something here. Terminal up due to uncount. So terminal up it means it crashed due to uncount exception. So we have some exception here. Okay. Reason: view controller number of row is not set. Okay. So we first of all we find the error. Yeah, we just follow the step. We find the error already. Now we need to understand what is the error. What do you do in this situation?
Okay, so see a view controller, you see the name, right? You can open the reference to see that.
Open reference. Yeah. Okay, just follow you. Then what do you do?
Just type in the number of rows selection.
It's called header. Okay. There you go. View number.
Number of rows selection.
Then you go there. Then you can see something. Okay. Oh, it's slow with the. Okay, I have something awesome. Okay, number of row extension. This is also escort documentation. What we call escort documentation is so bad. So someone makes something faster, be much more fast. So I can see number of row extension. Okay, so what do I do next?
You have to implement this one.
How do you know that I need to implement it?
Okay, let's go. This selector is not found, right?
Okay.
The error message. I recognize selector sent, for instance. So it's not implemented.
Okay. So so what we need to do is we need to understand what does it mean. Unrecognized selector sent to instance. What does that mean? So what we do is we either can copy this part or we copy the whole thing. Okay, we just copy the whole thing. Don't care. We go to Google and I ask Google. Okay, see the second. So okay, you always looking for something like Stack Overflow. So let's say I see this, and I know I will right. So basically, yeah, it has something related to table view, and it has something like this. how can you see it? Terminate up Bluetooth account exception. US view controller, table view, unrecognized. So it's the same error with us, right? Then what we do is we go down and see if the question, any question, some answer. So what is like? So I don't understand what is that. Okay, okay. I don't understand too, so I go back to find another answer. Maybe this one. I kept getting this. Okay, I think it's the same. Yeah, it has something here. Highly likely that your intended application delegate to be your data source. Data source seems to be like the UI table view data source, the contract we have a contract here, data source. One is delegate, one is data source. But accidentally make the file owner. Wow, I don't understand too. The class instance which you have assigned data source doesn't implement UI table view data source function. This sounds okay, right? It said that my class which side the contract data source doesn't implement the UI table view data source thing. So like what Lucas said, so I need to see what is UI table view data source because I sign the contract with them. Okay, what I do is either I comment and click here and I see something like this. So it requires me to implement this one, number of row insertion. Okay, so I implement it. I put here. Okay. Where do I put? Probably I should put here, right?
No.
Before here I need to implement, so I open bracket.
But you want to put it for the end, right? Because it's inside the implementation block.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so actually I got told something here. Missing context for method declaration. So again, this is view type error because it happens when you view the app, when you coding, when you code. Okay. Here, when you code and you have error, you have something wrong when you code, so it view type. It's like missing context. Basically, what do we do when we got this error? Okay, this file. So either you ask your friend or you go Google again. Okay, but yeah, okay, I don't. Okay, so you ask Google, Google will tell you that you need to put it inside. Oh, you ask friend, and we told you that you need to put it here. Yes? 10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes already. She passed 10 minutes. Okay, I will go past the second session. Okay, then we put it here. Then what next?
You have to return the integer, right?
How do you know it?
Because like in the return type is an MSC integer.
Okay, okay. But actually it could suggest you that, it could show you something here. So you see the difference, right? You see the difference. If you put it here, it gives you this one. So this red thing, it called arrow. It called arrow. Yeah, it's like a red card. And this yellow thing is warning. Warning is like a yellow card. It's just warning, it's not harm. So what it say? So here is another place. So you see, I click here. I click here to see the arrow. I click here to see the arrow. So here is another place to see the arrow. So you have a few places. You have here, one. You have here, another. If you show here also, you show here also, or here also. You click here, then you can jump into that dimension. So it says that I reached the end of a null void. You know what is void? go here. Yeah, but basically what I need to do is return something. Return 0. Okay, so everything done. What I need to do is I try to run it again. That time we run it crash. So how about this? Yeah, bingo, we run something. So now no error. Now no error, right? However, we want to show some food. So why show nothing? So it is some unexpected result, right? Then we need to have something here. So then, yeah, so what we need to do is later we need to go back and understand UI table view delegate and UI table view data show. Basically, we have a few of them. Then we need to put it in. But before that, I want to declare an array. So how I do it? So let's say table data equal ns array lock init with object. I only have 2 objects. Okay. Then I want to contain. Then I want to run it. And I also like this one. Yes. Let's see. I have an error. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's like the insert here. Actually, it's quite intelligent. It tell me to fix it, you insert that. So what I need to do is you need to tap there. Tap it, or I actually need to double tap. Then it insert here for me. Okay, cool. I still have error. Type specifier missing default to an int. Type specifier is what kind of object is it? So I know the NS array. Okay, cool. I have less. Okay, you see the number thing I have here. So until 0, I crying. Okay, initialize the element not combine time constant, but I have this.
Actually, you have to put the scope inside the implementation block.
Oh, put it.
Yeah, parentheses.
Okay, so in this situation, you ask friend, and we have a good friend here, so he tells me to put it inside. Actually, you just need to type this to the Google. But I need to remember it. I need to remember this one. I cannot copy it. So what I do is I choose this tab. You see, the port tab. It has something here. Then I right click and I copy. Then go Google again. Try to ask Google. However, it's quite long. So I need to make it shorter. Or you know that they have two parts in your error message. The first part is very specific to your situation with your Mac. This part, maybe no one else has the same specific thing. But the other part is the common thing. So to make the result, you just copy the common part and you ask Google again. Okay, combine error. I choose this. When combine, someone is plan. When you divide this outside the scope of a function, so you know something here, scope of a function. Okay, basically it tells you to put this inside a scope of a function. Where the scope of the function is here, inside the two brackets. You see? You see the link. So here it's okay. So no error. Cool. But they have a warning. They have a warning. Okay, never mind. Hey, how many minutes I have? Wow. Probably you should finish in
20 minutes.
3 minutes back.
20 minutes.
Okay, so I need to do, I want to return I want to return something here. I want to return the cell row. This is what you want to do. Yeah, you can do. Yeah, if you are busy, just leave there. Okay, that's fine. If everyone please tell me, and I can just stop. Okay, I need to move something here. So I need to add UI to be cell. Add a cell. So I do something like this. No. I should allocate it. Okay. So this method tells me to return something, which is a UI table view cell. Okay. And so I need to create a UI table view cell to return it. If I return something like an array, it will not satisfy. Then it will cry and ask me for a UI table view cell. So init with okay. So one question, the method is so long. How to remember it?
You don't have to remember.
Okay, tell me how.
So I think you don't have to remember, but just remember first few characters, and they have the same the same start. Always start like init with something.
Yeah.
So that should be enough.
Yeah, he good. Cool. You just okay. So we just type init, and then it pull down the thing. If we don't know what init is, so apply Lucas trick. You write command, press command, and you zoom to here, and you cannot understand anything. Okay, you open the documentation. You table view shell. See what you have. Then he is more readable, right? Basically, basically tell you define the attribute and behavior of the cell, and you go here and you see init with start. Okay, then you use that. Okay, I go back into Rust init with UI table view cell new. Okay, return cell. Okay. Then actually, if I don't return, it will be an error. So many of us have this error also. Oh, actually, don't have error because we don't have anything here. So number of round insertion, I have 2 here. So maybe I just hard code and say 2. Okay, I got an error. Why? Let's zoom here. We said that bad asset. Something I don't understand.
You start with a 0, 1 or start with 1, 2?
Huh?
You put 2, you start with it's equal to 3, is it?
No,
0, 1, 2.
I have 2 items here.
But is a program start with 0?
Yeah, the program start with 0. But the number of so you have 2 elements in one array.
You put 2.
Then the number of elements is 2. However, to index it, it start with 0 and 1.
So
yeah.
Become 3.
No.
Because you got 0,
No, you have something like this. So 0. So like A, then B. So this is your array. You have two elements. 2 elements, right? 1, 2. But how you index? The index it go from 1 to yeah. So this the first thing is
0.
0. The second is 1. Yeah. We haven't gone to 3 yet. Okay. So basically, you got some error here. Then you need to find it. I don't know where my doesn't run the whole thing. I didn't add any breakpoint here. Yeah, basically, I need to return something here. So at least I know that. Okay, the third place to looking for is looking here. then you know what method it causes problem. Looking here, you call what then I know that this method causes problem, and I know that I don't return, so I return something. So to make it fast, I put this on top. Okay, I need to declare here so that everyone can see. And put every here. And here I get the row. So ns string put name equal I will view that object and indent
index path of your
indent path rows. Okay, then cell left level equal
no context. Text
put
label
name.
of text.
Oh, not that. Okay. Yes, it's all.